all my respected donors all over India. You everybody know today we are under the great situation in the grief of COVID-19. It is the second phase which is giving a great pain in our national life. We are really working towards the nation to dust away this fatal disease from our country, from the world. So all the conscious citizens and all the people of the world, and particular our Indian countrymen, please take the awareness about the against the COVID and take care yourself, your family, and your dearest and nearest one, your dear and nearest one. Particularly, through 1 year, we are struggling against the fatal disease of COVID-19. But most of the people in our country, the poor people, those who are plumbing, those who are plumbing, how they protect their life. But we are looking everything, but we cannot stand by them. But many of the people, many of the Indians, many of the Indian NGOs, they are fighting continuously for them and they are standing by them. On behalf of them, we at the NGO, Rapsas.org, Radha Mohanpur, Ramakrishna Vivekananda Social Welfare Society, restlessly walking towards the nations and helping the COVID affected patients, and also those who are hungry, those who are sleeping empty stomach in the railway platform, in the station, in the bus stop, in the footpath, and in the pavement also. We are particularly giving our sacrifice to them. We are helping them food, hygiene, and sanitary kits. Also, we are distributing mask, sanitizer, and food also. So, we are requesting on behalf of our NGO and our respected government, our respected Prime Minister, also taking the wonderful steps how we keep safe ourselves from this fatal disease, and also our NGO men, all the NGOs working continuously to the nations. So we are requesting you, all the countrymen, please keep your body, your mind, and don't take fear in your mind. At first you have to clear from your mind that it is not the problem. If you think it is the problem, then it is a great problem. If you keep secret, if you keep distance, if you keep clear, then this disease cannot attack you. So we are requesting all our countrymen, please come and join hands with us, and please come and stand by them, those who are suffering in the footpath, those who are not getting the mask, those who are not getting the food grains, those who are not getting the clothes, those who are not getting the sanitizers, everything. And also, please everybody, those who have a power, who has a great capacity, kindly contact with us, rapsas.org, and donate us. We will provide all your donation things, your all donations will go to the needy persons, those who are really hungry today. And our restless program, our restless activities, we are giving to the nations, to the distressed children, the distressed people, those who are really suffering under the circumstances of COVID-19. Radhamohanpur Ramakrishna Vivekananda Social Welfare Society, this is the platform, this is the Zero Hunger platform where a donor 100% fearlessly he can donate us, and your donation 100% will reach the needy, those who are hungry, and a photography will send to you through our NGO, and donor will get the 8TG tax exemption certificates through our NGO. So all the respected donors, our countrymen, our rich people, those who are looking forward in which platform you will donate, so we are ready to getting your donation, and we must have to reach them, those who are really hungry in our country. Side by side, the beggars in our country, they are shelterless. They have nothing. They are really shelterless. They have nothing to do. But we, the platform where we are servicing, we are providing the food grains, the mask, sanitary kits, and health and hygiene kits also. Many of the donors, they will think, what is the really and genuine platform where we will donate? But Rapsas.org, this is the platform. Your 100% donation must have to go to the needy persons, really those who are hungry today in our country. And also, we will request all the countrymen, please come and close together and join hands how to protect from this fatal disease. And we have to protect ourselves completely. We have also a thinking, nobody should sleep empty stomach today. For them, please donors are requested, donate us, and we will reach the food grains, the food, cooking food, health and hygiene kits to the footpaths, beggars, and those who are staying the day and night beside the footpaths in our country. In our village, in our poor villagers, those who are really hungry, we are reaching there and we are sending them your donation, those who are really needy today. Donors are requested, your donation is going to the really platform, to the really needy persons, and donors will get the tax exemption certificate on 8TG through Income Tax Department, Government of India. Thank you very much.